Hey guys, so I just woke up and I've been really busy lately, so luckily I have some time today to make this video and share with you guys a new product that I've been using to lose weight. It's called Garcinia Cambogia Extract. So it comes in pills, and well, first of all, I saw it on TV a couple months ago on the Dr. Oz show, and I decided to try it out. My best friend has been using it for a while now, and she's had really good results with it. So I got it from a specialized Garcinia Cambogia online shop, which is the same place she got it from. That's why I got it there. And all I have to do is take one pill 3 times a day. And I also cut down on red meats and fat stuff like chips. I add prunes and lemon to my diet. Oh, and another tip is apple cider vinegar in water right before you go to sleep. It really helps. So since I started this about 7 months ago, I dropped 2 sizes, and I'm still taking it. I do some exercise, but I tend to focus more on my diet since I'm pretty lazy. So if you do want to try it out, check the link in the description.